Sizzling squid recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams squid cleaned and sliced into rings or whole. 1 large onion, sliced. 2 medium tomatoes, sliced. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tbsp soy sauce. 1 tbsp oyster sauce. 1 tbsp calamansi or lemon juice. 2 tbsp cooking oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 small carrot, diced optional. Mix peas and corn for garnish. 2 cups cooked rice, yellow rice optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the squid. Wash and clean the squid thoroughly. If using whole, remove the ink sac and internal parts. Slice into rings or leave small squids whole. 2. Marinate the squid in a bowl. Combine squid, soy sauce, oyster sauce, calamansi or lemon juice, and a pinch of pepper. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. 3. Cook the vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Saute garlic until fragrant. Then add onions and tomatoes. Cook until softened. Add diced carrots if using. Remove from the pan and set aside. 4. Sear the squid. In the same pan or on a hot sizzling plate. Add the remaining oil. Heat to high. Then sear the marinated squid for 2 to 3 minutes until just cooked through. Avoid overcooking to keep the squid tender. 5. Combine and sizzle. Add back the cooked vegetables. Mix well and season with salt and pepper if needed. Transfer the mixture to a preheated sizzling plate for that dramatic sizzling effect. 6. Serve. Garnish with peas, corn, and diced carrots. Pair it with yellow rice or plain steamed rice. Tip: preheat the sizzling plate before serving to keep the dish sizzling hot at the table. Enjoy your flavorful and tender sizzling squid. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.